Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to recognize a busting measurement, whether or not to pad your bra cup. Second, I'm going to be showing you how to know the size of bra cup to use depending on your measurement. The third one is how to pad your bra, that is if the bust is small. So we don't want our corset to look like this. As you can see, the bra cup here is small because our bust measurement is small, but the bra cup here could have been padded to make it look more attractive. So how do you know whether to pad your bra cup or not? This doesn't depend on the bust measurement. It depends on the difference between the bust measurement and the under bust measurement. The difference should be up to 10 inches. So even if you have a bust measurement of 40 inches and the difference between the bust measurement and the under bust measurement is not up to 10 inches, it cannot be considered as a busty measurement. So there is a need for you to pad your bra cup. We are going to be making use of this bra cup. This bra cup comes in different sizes. To choose the size of bra cup you are going to be using depending on how you want the corset to look. Do you want the breast to be showing, or you want the breast to completely covered? So using a bust measurement of 38, you can use bra cup of size 38, 36 or 40. Using 36 means you want the breast to be showing, you want some part of the cleavages to be showing. You using 38 is you want little of this bra cup to be showing, and using 40 means you want everything to completely covered. So I will recommend you use size 38 for a bust measurement of 38 inches. Since we are using a bust measurement of 38, I'm going to be using a bra cup of 38 size. So I'm going to be padding the bra cup with size 40. So this is 38 and this is 40. I'm going to put the 38 inside the bra cup of size 40. And remember, we are maintaining the size bra size of 38. This still remains 38 inside, but from outside it looks like size 40. So we have successfully padded it. We are padding our size 38 with size 40 bra cup by putting the size 38 into the size 40 bra cup and sew them together. Remember, you cannot pad size 38 with size 42. You can only pad size 38 with size 40, and you can pad size 40 with size 42. So remember to choose a bra cup and the size of bra cup for a bust of 38 inches. I said you can use 36, 38 or 40 depending on how you want your corset to look like. If you want some part of the breast and much of the breast to be showing, you can use 30 and 36. If you want just little of the cleavages to be showing, you can use 38. But if you want everything completely covered, you should use 30 and 40, size 40. Adding the bra cup is by putting the original bra cup into a larger bra cup and sewing them together, following the edge. At the edge, you are just going to sew them together at the edge of the bra cup. And this is how you are to sew them together. After putting the smaller cup into the larger one, then you are going to just trace at the edge, sewing it at the edge, sew it around together at the edge.